Welcome back to Adam's DIY Universe, and today we have a broken mixing part. Basically I've got this little smoothie maker here and this needs to be driven around, but at the moment it can't be because it's missing this piece of plastic which is broken, and I want to join that back together so that then this can sit inside and it drives around here, and then that transfers its energy to this. So it's going to need to be quite strong, and I've heard a little bit about baking soda over here when it's used with superglue, and you put superglue down and then a little bit of baking soda, and that helps strengthen the area. I have bought products before where it has a powdery substance to go with the glue, and it's very expensive, but this is an extremely low cost way of doing it, so I would like to try that and see if it works. Now what I'm going to do is apply some super glue to this area, all the joins on this area, pop it together, and then I'm also going to apply the super glue along the top area, and then put a little bit of baking soda in there, shake it off and see what happens. So I've just put the super glue on top of the joins as well, and then put some sprinkled some baking powder on top here. Now I'm just going to turn this upside down, get rid of all that. Okay, that's what we're left with. Now I have this piece that needs to go in here. Push that in nice and firmly so it stays in. So now I can put this back on top here, turn it around nice and tight, switch this on. And it's good to go. Now I've tried the super glue and the baking powder with other things, and it's holding very firmly. It's quite good. You can actually sand it down, a lot like this other product which I purchased, which came in 2 parts, which was very expensive, and a little tube of super glue will probably cost you less than $1. So I think that's quite a good combination. If you found this video helpful, please press like and subscribe to follow along for more tips and tricks around the house, garage and garden. Thanks for watching.